Imagine a pristine coastline suddenly covered in oil, an environmental disaster, but nature has a hidden hero. Meet the amazing bacteria. These tiny organisms can break down and metabolize pollutants, including oil. Scientists harness this power for bioremediation, a process where bacteria are used to clean up contaminated environments. Through bioremediation, bacteria help restore polluted areas to their natural beauty, turning disasters into recoveries. Nature's tiniest heroes making a big difference.